Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the TikTok app language quickly and easily without any confusion. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store or Play Store and make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. This is very important because some features may not appear if your app is outdated. Once your app is updated, simply open TikTok. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Here, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find the language option. Tap on it, and you will see different language settings available. From here, you can easily change the TikTok app language to whatever language you prefer. Just select your desired language, confirm it, and the app will update automatically. And that's it. You have successfully changed the TikTok language in just a few steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.